Hello everyone and welcome back to my CCNA course. In today's lesson we're going to learn about VTP, or we can call it VLAN Trunking Protocol. VTP is a Cisco Layer 2 protocol that helps switches share VLAN information with each other automatically. By the end of this video you will understand what is VTP, how VTP modes work, by that I mean server, client and transparent, and how to configure VTP on Cisco switches, how to verify everything, and how to avoid common mistakes. So let's get started. So as I said earlier, VTP stands for VLAN Trunking Protocol. It allows switches to synchronize VLAN information inside the same VTP domain. For example, if we create VLANs on one switch, all other switches in the same VTP domain will automatically receive those VLANs as long as they are connected using trunk port. So this makes VLAN management much easier in networks with many switches. So VTP has three modes: server mode, and that one's going to be the switch can create, modify and delete VLANs. Changes are all sent to the other switches. This is usually our main switch. The next one is going to be client mode. This mode, the switch cannot create or modify VLANs, receives VLANs from VTP server, and VLANs are stored automatically. And the third one is going to be transparent mode. Does not participate in VLAN synchronization. It forwards VTP advertisements, and VLANs created on this switch stay local. So as always, create this simple topology with me. We're gonna need three switch, 1, 2 and 3, and we're gonna connect them together. Now the switches are connected using fast Ethernets. Before VTP works, the switches must communicate using trunks. So on all switches we're gonna do this setting. Say enable conf t, and in this one we're gonna say interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and we're gonna say switch port mode trunk switch port trunk, and that's it, nothing further. And the next switch, interface fast Ethernet 0/1 switch port mode trunk, and on the other port fast Ethernet 0/2 it's gonna be switch mode port trunk and exit. And the last switch, enable conf t, and interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and this is going to be switch port mode trunk. So we're all set. So now on all switches we must use same VTP domain. We say here VTP domain, and for example my network, and on the other one VTP domain my network. So we're gonna configure a password, a VTP password, so we can prevent unauthorized switches from affecting our VLAN database. So on all switches, we're gonna say VTP password, and for example, we're gonna say Cisco 123. And here too. And here we're gonna say VTP password Cisco 123. So we're all set here. So on this one, we're gonna say this is gonna be the server, this is gonna be the client, and this one's gonna be transparent. So on the first switch, the server switch, we're gonna say VTP. Now we're just gonna mode server, and on the other one, gonna say VTP mode. This is gonna be the client, and the third one is gonna be the transparent. Okay, so now we're gonna say do show VTP status. All right, this is the server, and this is the client, and this is the transparent. All right, so for test, we're gonna create VLANs on the server. Here we're gonna say VLAN 10, and we're gonna change the name to sales, for example, and we're gonna exit. We're gonna create another VLAN 20, and the name is gonna be, for example, HR, and exit. So after a few seconds, the client switch must receive the VLANs. So as you remember, we created the VLANs on switch 1, this switch, and on this one we're gonna say show VLAN brief. So as you can see, this is having these two VLANs, sales and HR. So as you can see, this is working. All right, so we're gonna verify the operation on all switches. In here, there's another command. We can say show VTP status again. So as you can see, we can verify the VTP commands here. The name. Let me check this. I'm gonna say show VLAN brief, show VTP status, all right. Remember that the transparent switch will not receive VLANs, and that is correct. So let's check something more. We're gonna say show interface trunk, for example. Let me see if this shows the VTP password too. Yes, we can see the VTP password here. Let's see if we can see it here. And we can also see it here too. So today we just learned what is VTP and how VTP server, client, and transparent mode works. We just learned how to configure VTP domain, password, in all modes, how to create VLANs and verify synchronization, and we just realized how to fix common VTP problems. Remember that a VTP is an important topic in CCNA, and understanding it will make VLAN management much easier. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. We will continue building your network knowledge step by step. See you in the next video. Goodbye.